Secure coding paradigm. Today, let's explore secure coding practices that are often disregarded by developers but can have a significant impact on business and industry. With the rise of IoT and increasing numbers of people entering the coding world, it is crucial to pay more attention to security. We'll be showcasing the NASA Top 10 rules, which are designed for safety-critical systems. Rule number 1: focus on the importance of maintaining a simple control flow, reducing complex nested conditions and excessive branching. For example, we can see the similar coding example in Python. Rule number 2 emphasizes the need for a fixed upper bound for loops to prevent buffer overflows and infinite loops. Similar Python example. Rule number 3 recommends avoiding dynamic memory allocation in C++ for secure coding, utilizing stack-based variables or smart pointers instead. In Python, it is not necessary to worry about memory deallocation due to its garbage collector. Stay tuned for more articles in this series. Share how you've improved your code bases by commenting, and provide feedback to enhance the series. Follow at MDAbir1203 in Medium for more detailed explanations.